students. Today we are going to study about the chemical properties of alkali metal. The first one chemical property of alkali metal is the reactivity towards air. Now, as all of us we know that alkali metals that tarnish in dry air because of the formation of their oxides, and which in turn they react with moisture and further form hydroxides. Okay, first they react with oxygen and form oxides, and now oxides, what type of oxides are formed, that depends upon the reactivity of a particular metal, and this reactivity increases with the oxygen as we move down in a group, and that's why that when lithium reacts with oxygen, it forms lithium oxide, whereas sodium is a little bit more reactive than oxygen, and that's why when it reacts with the oxygen, then it forms peroxide. Whereas metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium, which are more reactive than oxygen, they form superoxides when react with oxygen. Fine, bache. So this reactivity increases on moving down the group, and the increasing stability of peroxide or superoxide that goes on increasing as the size of the metal cation increases. All right. The another one property of alkali metal is the reactivity towards water, and as all of us we know that when metals react with water, they usually forms hydroxides with the liberation of हाइड्रोजन, डाइहाइड्रोजन. तो क्या क्या बनता है यहाँ पे आपका, there is hydroxide is formed, and with the hydroxide they also form a dihydrogen, and the reaction becomes more and more violent as we move down in the group. And that's why we can say, because lithium has most negative E naught value, electrode potential, and lithium reacts because of which very gently with the water, and whereas rest of the metal like sodium, potassium, when comes in the contact of water, then they catches fire, and similarly rubidium and cesium also following the same pattern, same pattern. And ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे बेटा मार्क गलत हो गया है, fine. So they also following the same pattern, and that's why their reactivity also goes on increases, and they can also catch fire because of less negative E naught value comparatively to the metal which is present in the top of the group. ठीक है बच्चे. So alkali metal when react with water, they form metal hydroxide with the release of dihydrogen. Next, another one property we can say, that is reactivity towards dihydrogen, that how they behave when they react with the H2 or dihydrogen. So obviously when the metal, alkali metal react with hydrogen, they form colorless ionic crystalline hydrides. क्या बनाते हैं? They form ionic solids or ionic crystalline hydrides. ये M plus H2 gives M plus H negative. ठीक है बच्चा. So they are forming here where metal can be lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium. Like for example, lithium, when reacts with hydrogen, it forms lithium hydroxide. Sodium reacts with hydrogen, forms a sodium hydroxide. And you have to remember it here that order of reactivity on moving down in a group, that goes uh, that goes decreases. ठीक है, ये याद रहेगा बच्चे आप लोगों को. क्या हो जाता है, मूविंग डाउन द ग्रुप में आपका जो पैटर्न होगा वो क्या बन जाएगा, डिक्रीजेस. ये मैं ढंग से लिख नहीं पाई हूँ यहाँ पे, बट होपफुली यू मस्ट बी एबल टू हियर मी. सो मैं फिर बता देती हूँ, रिपीट कर देती हूँ कि जो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी होगा with a dihydrogen of alkali metal, that goes on decreasing when we move from lithium to the cesium because of lattice enthalpy of these hydrides, which decreases progressively as the size of the cation that goes on increasing. And that's why we can say that the stability of these hydrides also decreases. दोबारा याद रखिएगा, stability of these hydrides decreases from lithium hydride to cesium hydride. The another one property we are talking about, that is reactivity towards halogens. Now when alkali metal react with the halogens, that forms ionic halides. क्या बनाते हैं बेटा, ionic halides, like lithium chloride, lithium fluoride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide, potassium bromide, potassium iodide, etc. ठीक है, तो these are forming the halides. And reactivity, if we are talking about the reactivity with the halogens on moving down in a group, that goes on increases. ये क्या करती है, that goes on increases. ये देखिए, ठीक है, it goes on increasing when we move down in a group. So why it goes on increasing from lithium to cesium? Because of a decrease in ionization enthalpy, or we can say increase in electropositive character of the metal. ठीक है जी. The another one, if we are talking about the another one property, so now we are going to discuss about the reducing character of alkali metals. And as all of us we know that alkali metals have a one electron in their valence shell which they are readily to lose, and that's why they are reduce strong reducing agent, whereas lithium is the most and sodium is the least. याद रहेगा, lithium is the most strong reducing and sodium is the least reducing agent in this group. Fine. And the reducing character, दोबारा याद रखिएगा, that reducing character of alkali metal, that also goes on increasing. ठीक है, ध्यान रहेगा, reducing character goes on increasing as we move down in a group. ठीक है, from lithium to cesium. So सबसे कम lithium का reducing character है, फिर sodium का है, फिर potassium का है, फिर rubidium का है, and then it is of what, cesium. ठीक है. Whereas if we are talking about in aqueous solution, then it has been observed that the reducing character of alkali metal follows the opposite pattern. That is sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, then cesium, and then lithium. Again, I am repeating, please beta, in aqueous solution, it goes on changes, the pattern goes on changes, and it becomes sodium, then it sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, lithium. It means we can say that lithium is the strongest, and while sodium is the least powerful reducing agent in aqueous solution. बेटा ये aqueous solution की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? किसकी बात है? aqueous की. ओके, ये देखिए मैंने लिख दिया है यहाँ पे, ये किस में होगा? इट विल बी इन aqueous one. Aqueous solution. ठीक है. Now if we are talking about here sublimation enthalpy, so this is lithium solid converted into lithium gases. So obviously that is known as the sublimation enthalpy to convert from one state to another. Then there is from gaseous to the ionic form. Ion electron is released in this one and it converted into ion. So this is known as the ionization enthalpy. An ion when attach or react with water and forms in a ion in aqueous solution, then that is known as its enthalpy of हाइड्रेशन. तो मैंने कहा ये लिथियम की सबसे ज्यादा है और सोडियम की सबसे कम है. ठीक है, तो स्मॉल साइज ऑफ आयन सबसे छोटा लिथियम का होगा एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी हैविंग हाईएस्ट हाइड्रेशन enthalpy. But okay, next one if we are talking about, then that is a solution in liquid ammonia. But a simple सी चीज है, when these metals react with some moles of ammonia, then they are just dissociate themselves into ammonical ions, as well as their electrons are also attached with some ammonia molecules, and because of release of these electron here, यहाँ पे जो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज होता है, ड्यू टू these ammoniated electron, actually the blue color of the solution becomes, ये solution कैसे कलर का हो जाता है? ब्लू कलर का, because these electron absorbs energy from visible region of light and thus imparts blue color. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था ना, वो flame characteristic flame produce करते हैं. Similarly here these solutions are also becomes colored solutions because of the presence of these ammoniated electron, and thus such type of a solution because of the presence of electron are paramagnetic, क्योंकि ये paired electrons nahi hote, these are unpaired electrons present here. Now if we are talking about the uses, then as you can see alag alag uses hai alkali metals ke, like alkali metal is used to make full useful alloys. alloys में बेटा बहुत सारे होते हैं, इसको white metal कहा जाता है जब मोटर इंजिन्स के साथ लगता है, एल्यूमिनियम के साथ अगर लिथियम को डाला जाता है, मिक्स किया जाता है, तो it is used for aircraft parts, and when it is added with magnesium, so it is used to make armor plates. Lithium is also used in thermonuclear reaction as well as in electrochemical cells. Sodium is also used to sodium lead alloy, जो कि आपका as a organo lead compounds होते हैं, which are used in the lead free petrol. आप पेट्रोल पंप में देखिए लेड फ्री पेट्रोल लोग डलवाते हैं, जिन्हें हम एंटी नॉक एडिटिव्स भी कहते हैं. एंटी नॉक एडिटिव्स भी कहते हैं. तो दैट इज टू बी यूज्ड here. Liquid sodium metal is also used as a coolant in nuclear reactors में. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड एक बायोलॉजिकल फर्टिलाइजर की तरह प्ले करता है और बायोलॉजिकल रोल पोटेशियम एक एलिमेंट यूज करता है, लाइक पोटेशियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड एज अ fertilizer. Potassium hydroxide is used as the manufacture of soft soap. Sodium hydroxide as well as potassium hydroxide, both are used to manufacturing of soap. It is also used an excellent absorbent of carbon dioxide. Now if we are talking about the anomalous property, ये मैं पहले आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ, that lithium is showing some different behavior because, with respect to the rest of the element, due to its small size comparatively to the rest of the elements of its group and high polarizing power. that is charge upon radius ratio. इसके साथ साथ बेटा इसकी absence of d orbital होता है and high electronegativity hota hai. Now these are the differences which shows that there is a difference in between the lithium and alkali metal. It is harder, its melting point and boiling point are higher, it is least reactive, it forms lithium monoxide जबकि बाकी peroxide या super oxides बनाते हैं. It also combines in oxygen with nitrogen and forms lithium nitride. Lithium chloride deliquescent होता है. Deliquescent means which can easily absorb moisture and forms a hydrate because of its high hydration enthalpy. It also lithium hydrogen carbonate नहीं मिलता जबकि बाकी सारे elements of this group form solid hydrogen carbonates. Lithium और ethanides नहीं बनाता on reaction with ethene, whereas rest of the element of this group easily forms ethanide. Next, if we are talking about the diagonal relationship, so there are certain properties which are similar in lithium and magnesium because of diagonal relationship, and we have already studied that also. So both are harder and lighter than other elements. Both react very slowly with our water. Both oxides and hydroxides are less soluble. Both hydroxides decompose on heating. Both form nitrides. Both oxides do not combine with excess oxygen to give superoxides. Both carbonates decompose easily on heating to form oxides. Both chlorides are soluble in ethanol. Both chlorides are deliquescent, absorbs water because of their high